Alex Pettitt here, bringing you all the latest from IBC 2023. I am on the Hollyland stand. They've been releasing a bunch of new products. I'm going to show you through, with Vivian here from Hollyland, a few of their latest. Vivian, what should we start with?
Hi.
We've got a camera in front of us.
Yes, sure. So hi Alex, hi everyone in front of the screens. I'm so happy to be interviewed today. And now I'm going to talk about our Hollyland first live streaming camera, VenusLiv here. So this camera is specifically designed for live streaming, and you can see it's very convenient, lightweight, and portable. And here it's a big screen for 5-inch, and you can reverse it to check the video, to monitor the video. So it's very easy if you just do the live stream alone or in a small team. Yes, and here
And it's
yes.
worth pointing, just so you hold it like that, you're holding it portrait, which isn't natural for a camera like this. So it does portrait and landscape?
You can have two types of video output. You can do it vertical. You can just settle your camera like this, and you can also set your camera like this. So you can have two types of video frames. Yeah.
This streams to Facebook, YouTube. How does that work?
Yes. So it supports two types to connect the internet. One is Wi-Fi. As you can see from here, by using the Holly OS system, just connect the Wi-Fi first. Yeah, and you can choose add your channel here. Choose the channel and then enter the URL.
URL and
Yeah,
the screen
and then
key.
yeah, and then you save it, and then you can start to live stream here. So it's very convenient and easy to start live streaming. And next time, if you want to live stream, just because it will save your channel and URL in the camera. So
easy.
Yeah, it's very easy.
You can stream nice and easy to YouTube and other locations, but also HDMI on the side as well, so you can get a feed out of this.
Yes, and if you use the cable to use the HDMI out interface, you can just output all system to your laptop, and then you can do it on your computer. It's very convenient.
So, is there anything else that we need to know about this? Battery powered and can be plugged in?
Oh yes, so we have multiple power options. Like here, we can use external batteries. One NPF, one 970 battery can support up to 4 hours.
Okay.
And you can also use the DC power here.
And this will stream for a long time, no overheating, because I know that's a big issue with live streaming cameras.
Absolutely. So the key feature of our VenusLiv is that it can live stream for very long time without overheating, because the materials we use can disassemble the heat very quickly.
Amazing.
Yeah.
And also, I noticed when I was reading about it before, it's got zoom as well with the lens.
Oh yes, so the lens can have 6 times zooming, 3 optical zooming, and 2 digital zooming. So you can just adjust the zooming here.
Oh, on the touchscreen as well.
Yeah, you can just. It's very easy because it's a touching screen.
But there's a lens ring as well.
Of course.
So you can use.
Of course, yeah.
Okay. Well, it's a camera packed full of features. It's everything in one.
Yeah.
How much does it cost?
Well, it's only $999 USD.
Oh wow! So under $1,000.
Yes.
Oh, okay. Okay, so we've moved over to talk about audio with the LARK MAX, and it's worth mentioning right now, we're actually using this system, or I have been using this system throughout IBC to record all of my audio. So it's a fantastic product. Vivian, tell us all about it.
Sure. So LARK MAX is our new wireless microphone, which we launched it at the end of June this year. So most of people said they love it because it provides very good sound quality. As you can see, it has a charging case, and inside of it, it has one receiver and 2 transmitters. When you take them out of the box, it just connects automatically. And then you can see on the receiver, it has a touch screen here. And we have a rotate to adjust the volume. And we also have the home button to quick menu. And if you short click the rotate here, you can enter the menu, and then you can adjust everything you like the mode, the recording mode, and also volume, something like this.
Yeah, there's
It's very
loads in
easy.
the menu. There's mic gain, there's EQ settings.
And you can it's very easy to wear it.
Yep.
You can use the clip at the back, and also you can use the magnetic design here.
So you can take the magnet off, put it under something like a t-shirt,
Sure.
and then have it any way you want on the t-shirt.
Sure.
Now, I guess the key question that a lot of people are going to ask about this is what's the battery life like of the microphones and of the transmitter?
Sure. So the receiver can use up to 9 hours.
Yep.
And for the transmitter, it can use 7.5 hours with fully charged. And with the fully charged charging case, you can use up to 22 hours.
Wow.
Yeah.
So the final thing I want to mention about this, because I'm already going to say it has saved my life here at IBC, and we haven't talked about it yet,
Yeah.
but each of the transmitters can do internal recording as well.
Sure, sure. So there are 2 transmitters here. Both of them can do internal recording separately, and each of them have 8 GB internal recording.
So 8 gigabytes worth of internal recording
Yes.
on the microphones themselves, and
Sure.
that just plugs into your computer with a USB-C port on the back of on the bottom of the mic.
Yes, you can output the audio through the USB interface here.
Perfect. Well, if you want to check out the LARK MAX, we've actually got a special offer for it as well. There's a code down in my description below, so check that out for a discount on the LARK MAX. We've done cameras, we've done microphones. What's next?
Let's move to the intercom system.
Right, intercom then.
Yeah.
You've got a new product here, which is the Solidcom C1 Pro.
Yes.
How is it different from the regular Solidcom C1?
So the main difference between Solidcom C1 and the Pro version is that it has the environmental noise cancellation technology. As you can see here, is the ENC button. So if you just click it up, it's on ENC. And if you wear the headphone, you can the noise without the sound without the noise. Yeah.
And how does that work? Because you mentioned there before to me that there's 2 microphones in this.
Yes, it's a dual mic ENC technology. The main mic here, it will capture the human's voice and also the environmental noise. And the secondary microphone here, it will capture the environmental noise.
Around you.
Yes, and then through the system, it can cut the environmental noise by 20 dB.
Oh, wow.
Yes.
Okay, so quite a lot. And then what's the sort of battery life that you get with these?
Here we have the external battery, and you can change the battery here. So for one battery, we have remote headset and also the master headset. You can see the label, different
The red
color.
one.
Yeah,
Yeah.
the red one is master, and one battery for master headset. It will take it can use 5 hours,
5
and
hours,
for
yeah.
remote headset, it can use 10 hours.
But each headset also gets 2 batteries, is that right?
Yes. So each batteries have 2. Each headset has 2 batteries, and if it depends on how many headset you have.
Okay.
Yeah.
And these come in different configurations, so you can get wireless ones, but also we've got a base station here
Yes,
as well.
we have two versions, with hub or with no hub. If you get the Solidcom C1 without the hub, it can accommodate up to 8 people to use the headset to get at the same time.
Yep.
Yeah, one master headset with 7 remote headset.
Okay.
But if you with hub, you can one station can accommodate up to 9 person.
Okay.
Yeah, one master with up to 8 remote headset.
So
yeah.
1 wired with the base station, 8 wireless, but then you can add more to that as well.
Yes, because the base station can be cascaded with more. So for example, if you use 3 base stations, you can accommodate up to 27 people
Wow.
to use the intercom system at the same time. It just depends on how many people in your team.
The size of the team.
Yes. So
Amazing.
you can choose the number of headset you want. If you have 3 people, you can just take 3 headset. You have 5, you can just take 5. Yeah.
Okay. And I will say we were having to play with this earlier to see what the sound quality is like. And it is really clear. I used to have the old Mars T1000s, and there's a noticeable difference because of the echo of the noise cancellation.
Yeah.
It's a lot clearer to be able to hear what people are saying
Yeah.
using the new version.
Yeah, and the connection distance can up to 1,000 feet. That is 350 meters.
Mhm.
Yeah, land of sight.
Line of sight.
Yeah, and it's very lightweight and convenient to wear it. You feel very compact and comfortable, and you can do like this.
Yeah, durable,
it's good quality.
very durable.
Yes, and like mic film, and here the on-ear film, you can just replaceable. Yeah, you can also, this one is replaceable too.
So if you need to replace them,
it's for the health, for the hydrants.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Perfect. Well, thank you so much for showing us these. Thank you for showing us the LARK, the VenusLiv, loads of great products on the Hollyland stand. If you want to check out any of them, the link is down in the description below. And don't forget, for the LARK MAX, you've got that special offer code in the description as well. Vivian, thank you so much.
It's totally all right.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, click the like button because that really does help. If you want to keep up to date with all of my action from IBC 2023, hit the playlist in the top right-hand corner now. And if you want to be notified as I upload new videos from IBC, hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell.